the batsman's been out there, he's just got himself cooled down, he gets up there and the bowler comes in and bowls the most magnificent.
No need for the umpire to get involved in this one. Bang, over they go. A beautiful Yorker. Well bowled.
100.
Full toss. Missed it completely. Middle stump out of the ground.
Let's just say it's a chink in his armor. Joy Butler should have done this right at the start of the over. It's something that we mentioned. Should aim at the stump. It's a typical VVS Lakshman's reaction. You'll see very often he'll have a shocked expression on his face when it's...
Got him right through his defences. It swung as well, and this time right on target.
Well, the swinging Yorker. This was a beauty.
Beautiful delivery, it's definitely reverse swinging. That is a beautiful ball. Reverse swinging, in swinging Yorker, and that is a cracker. That has started over.
Beautifully bowled there by Wasim, and he's got Darren Lehman with the Yorker.
Big shot. Brilliant Yorker. This is a fantastic over from the back of the hand slow balls, and then this, look at that. A Yorker full and straight with a little bit of reverse swing back into Rayner.
In his elements.
Oh, the hitting Yorker! Lasith malinga strikes!
He's lost a huge wicket.
Best part about this was you know what to expect when coming ball, knew what's going to come, just not good enough to keep that away.
Well, he didn't play that one so well. That was a great delivery.
Going around the wicket, a couple away from him, then two bending back in, and that one went a long way.
And then that.
Good tactics, going around the wicket, a couple away from him,